Hello, I'm Dr. Sanders and I'm a psychologist. What is ADHD? It's an acronym that stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. We could discuss each of those words, but disorder I have the biggest problem with. I'm writing a paper now where I propose using that D, keeping the acronym, and instead of disorder, how about divergence? It's simply a divergence in a way of thinking and being. Let us watch our words. Let's respect different ways of thinking and being. And as psychologists and educators, let's again celebrate it, but also recognize the challenges and work with the challenges in a positive, warm, encouraging way. So again, I invite you to re-look at some of these acronyms, some of these disorders, and let's just look at it as another way of thinking and being, work with the challenges of that, and celebrate the positives. We can apply that to everything in life. So let's celebrate different minds, different world we live in, different types of people, different species. Let us celebrate and be kind, to work together.